Hola everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lawal the AC Plug. So in today's segment I'm going to be showing you how to flare an installation pipe using a flaring material. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much.
Father in heaven, I have a question. How do I overcome my depression? Jesus, I need blue sky, blue sky. Oh God, I need blue sky, blue sky. I was so low, I wanted to die. Told as a man I could never cry. Shame in my heart and pride in my eyes. But you break the silence, you tear down the lies. Lord, I feel low. Please lead me back to the cross. Jesus, I need blue sky, blue skies. Oh God, I need blue sky, blue sky. Time keeps slipping, it cuts like a knife. The world keeps judging the worth of my life. They call me a failure, wasted past, but your grace is spoken, your love will last. My skin is tough, but my heart is glass. I feel every fear as the moments pass, but you hold my future, you heal my past. Your mercy reminds me that storms don't last. Jesus, I'm running, running to see your face. I feel so out of place. Lead me on the path, I'm praying with all I know. My hands are lifted high and my eyes are closed. Take me through the storm and show me blue skies, blue skies. Oh God, please show me blue skies. Blue skies. I know the plans I've made for you. A hope, a future, my word is true. Not one small sparrow falls from the sky without my care, without my eyes. I see you, I know you, each hair on your head before you had a name. You are my child, don't be ashamed. Stay in the vine, your life in me, and faith will grow in what you can see. Oh, come to the cross where mercy flows, the place I conquered your deepest lows. My blood was enough, my love won the fight. I'll lead you from darkness into the light. Jesus, I'm running, running to see your face. Everything feels wrong, it's all out of place. Lead me on the path, I'm praying with all I know. My hands are lifted high and my eyes are closed. Take me through the storm and show me blue skies. I am calling your name. Child, I will never leave you the same. Take my hand, let me show you the way. I'll lead you.